not an ingredient. Some clear glue, I'm using Fevigum. You can use any PVA clear glue. And you are also going to need some water, like as the same quantity of the glue you will add in the bowl and the same quantity of water you will take. And you need activator. I am using borax activator. It's 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of borax. You can use any other activator, but it should be clear like this borax activator. So guys, let's get started. So first you have to add the glue. It's not like a transparent clear slime. It's a yellow clear slime. So I added the glue. Now the same amount of water we will be needing. So I will be right back and add the water. So I added the water. If you add too much water, it will not be activated. So first, after activating, it will be a jiggly slime. When you put it for like 2 days, it will be thick. Comment Nehal, #Nehal fan to get shout out in my next video. Now after mixing it, we will be adding the activator. Don't over activate your slime. So this is my first video of making clear slime. It's a tutorial on clear slime. So yeah. Mix it properly till it activates. So you can see it's activating. Don't mix it too fast or the bubbles can come. So you can see it's so clear, but after activating it will be like bubbles will rise up in the slime. You can see it's a jiggly slime, but after putting it so we have to knead it with our hands. So I will be right back and knead it. Knead it. It's like you can see very sticky. So you have to put it into a container let it sit for 2 days to get cleared up fast. So I will show you this slime in my next video. So I kept it for 2 days. You have to let it sit, and so here is my slime. Like it's not that slime which we made now. It's the slime which I'll show you in the intro. So yeah, it's a really nice slime. It's really super clear. Oh my gosh. It's a little bit sticky. You can see it's crystal clear. I hope we get crystal transparent glue one day, like I get. It's a jiggly slime after 2 days almost. Yes, it's stretchy but not that stretchy. Like I'm not a big fan of jiggly slimes at all, but I like crystal clear thick slime. It's not a crystal, like it's a crystal clear but not a thick slime. But I think you can hear the poke sound. So it's too clear. It's a dark green color. I think you cannot see in the camera, but it's really clear. Oh my god, it's really sticky. It's a really nice slime. So the next slime is this one. It's super duper clear. It's a really nice slime. I love the color of the slime because it's so awesome. And let's move on to I think this slime is not cleared up, but I can show you. I can't touch it. Yes, it's not cleared up. So I will show you this slime in my next video, and thanks for watching this video. I don't want to make this video so long. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. And I want to tell you that you can also add sand to your slime. It will not change the color. You can add any clear scent or any colored scent. So yeah, you can use Favicum, any glue. It's make better slimes, and it's there is already scent in this lime because the scent of the slime is very good because of this. Like it's a 2-in-1 scent and glue mixed in it all. So thanks for watching guys. If you like this, hit the like button and comment which slime is your favorite, most favorite. So yeah guys, bye guys, thanks for watching, bye.